I'm Gary Golding. You're watching The Golding State. And I'm lucky enough to be teaching at a elementary school in their garden today. And so today, I'm getting my lunch by actually foraging off their garden. I'm living off the land, as they say. So, I thought I would share that with you. I'm helping the wasps get rid of the aphids too. So this is one thing I do to get food, is I forage at the gardens where I work. I've been working in a lot of gardens lately, teaching kids about bees and how to grow plants. It's been pretty cool because lunch is always free now. Well, lunch is always free for me anyways. But you can't get any healthier than this. Imagine being able to do that with your life. Teach children in the garden and also get your lunch out of the same garden. It's pretty good. And I got to thank my bees for that, because I thought about it. Not only do my bees give me honey, but now they give me money. They're part of my income. So you take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. That's pretty much the whole idea. I didn't plan that. I'm just a guy that likes bees and likes to live off the land. So, I just thought I'd give you a little thought and philosophy for the day. Share a piece of my life with you about how me being into bees got me to be able to teach elementary school kids in their garden, give me honey, provide me an income, and give me access to good wholesome food with no pesticides on it. All because I love bees. I'm Gary Golding, you're watching The Golding State. Remember to reuse, recycle, ride your bicycle, and refuse to abuse this beautiful planet we live on. Thanks for watching.